And now we'll do a few tricks. For 17, our only option is for u to be natural log of x. And then du is 1 over x dx. There's that 3, which is a constant. I can pull that out. So I'm going to rewrite this. I'm going to pull out the 3. I have 1 over x. I have 1 over ln x dx. Okay, so I kind of have what I need. There's my 1 over x dx. So I'm going to rewrite this as 3 times the antiderivative of 1 over u du, which is 3 times ln absolute value of u. So this is going to give me 3 times the natural log of x plus c. And you can ask me about absolute value in here, and we'll talk about it in class. For 18, okay, u is usually the inner function, so I'm going to let u be equal to what we have inside here. So I could write this as u to the 1/2. So u is 2 minus sine 4 theta. Du is, the derivative of sine is negative cosine, right? Or the derivative of sine is cosine, but this is going to give us negative cosine 4 theta, chain rule, times 4. Right, and I'm going to have my d theta. I notice I don't need the 4, I don't need the negative, so I'll divide both sides by negative 4. So negative 1/4 du is cosine 4 theta d theta. So this is going to become negative 1/4. I'm going to have u to the 1/2. I'm going to have du. So I'm going to have negative 1/4. I'm going to have add 1, u to the 3/2, so 2/3 plus c. So this is going to give me negative 1/6, right? And I'm going to have 2 minus sine 4 theta to the 3/2 plus c. We'll do the same thing for number 19. So u is going to be my inner function. So I'm looking at this. And if I let u be equal to cosine of 3 theta, the derivative of that is going to be negative sine, which is what I have. And then I'll be left with secant squared of u, and I know how to handle that. So let's proceed. U is cosine of 3 theta. Du is negative sine 3 theta times 3 d theta. Negative 1/3 du is exactly what I want, sine 3 theta d theta. So then this is going to become negative 1/3 sec squared u du, which is negative 1/3 tan u plus c, which is negative 1/3 tan of cosine 3 theta plus c.